Now, let us do the 8th question of exercise 8b. Here, the question is 8 plus square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we are having curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, we are having one round bracket in which there is an expression 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. And then the round bracket is closed, multiplied by 15 by 16. Curly bracket is closed, plus 2. This is the expression. So, how we do is, first we evaluate the expression inside the round bracket. So, in the first one 8 plus, then the square bracket started, curly bracket started, 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. So, it comes out to be, if you multiply what it comes out to be 8 by 15 multiplied by 15 by 16, curly bracket closed, plus 2. So, here what we have done, we have simplified, no need to write, you can directly do it, but for your explanation I am writing, simplified round bracket, okay, then equals to 8 plus square bracket close starts, then 8 by 15 into 15 by 16. So, here if we evaluate it, what we are going to do, 15 ones are 15 ones are, 8 ones are 8 twos are. So, what I am getting here, I am getting 1 into 1 and here 1 into 2. So, it comes out to be 1 into 2 plus 2. Now, since whatever expression is inside the curly bracket, I have calculated. So, it comes out to be 1 by 2 plus 2 and then the square bracket closed. Okay. So, here what I have done, I have simplified curly bracket. Okay. Now, in the next step, 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. Here I have to evaluate this expression. Now, in the rough column, you can do 1 by 2 plus 2. That means it is equal to, I can write 1 by 2 plus it is equal to 2 by 1. Now, what you will be taking, you have to take out the LCM of, 2 comma 1, which comes out to be 2. Okay. Now, 1 by 2 is with it will be having the same denominator, 2 into 1, 1 into 1. So, it comes out to be 1 by 2. Okay. 2 by 1 if I evaluate. So, what will I have to make the denominator 2. So, I have to multiply by 2. So, it comes out to be 4 by 2. Okay. Now, it comes out to be 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 by 2. Okay. Now, I have made the denominator same. Then, I will add, if I add 8 plus 2 will be common, 1 plus 4. So, it comes out to be 8 plus 5 by 2. Again, what I have to do, I have to perform addition, 8 plus 5 by 2. So, here it will be 8 by 1 plus 5 by 2. Again, what will happen? Okay, again I have to take the LCM, if I have to add 8 by 1 plus 5 by 2. Okay, here what will be the LCM? LCM again is 2. Okay, now 8 by 1 will be equal to 1 into 2. Okay, 8 into 2, it comes out to be 16 by 2. And 5 by 2, now the LCM will be same, that means 2 into 1, 5 into 1, which comes out to be 5 by 2. So, it will be 16 by 2 plus 5 by 2, okay, which will be equal to 16 plus 5 by 2, which will be equal to 21 by 2. Now, 21 by 2 is an improper fraction. So, what I have to do? I have to express it in form of mixed fraction. So, what I would be doing? I would be dividing 21 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 1, 2 zeros are. Then it comes out to be, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So, it comes out to be 10, 1 by 2. 10, 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. In this way, we evaluate when there is a square bracket, when there is curly bracket and when there is a round bracket. Okay. Now, let us solve the 9th one. Now, let us do 9th one. Here the question is 13 1 by 2 minus inside the square bracket, then there is curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket 5 1 by 2 plus inside the round bracket 5 minus 3 by 4, round bracket closed, curly bracket closed, plus 1. First what we are going to do is we will convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. So it comes out to be 13 into 2, that means plus 1 by 2 minus curly bracket 5 into 2 plus 1 by 2 plus inside the 5 minus 3 by 4, this round bracket closed, curly bracket closed, plus 1 and then the square bracket closed. It comes out to be 27 by 2 minus square bracket started, inside the curly bracket it will be equal to 11 by 2 plus inside the round bracket it is 5 minus the 5 by can be written as 5 by 1, okay, then curly bracket closed, plus 1. Now I have to evaluate the expression inside the square round bracket, that is 5 by 1 minus 3 by 4. Okay, now in the rough column 5 by 1 minus 3 by 4. Here I will find the LCM of 1 comma 4, which is equal to 4. Now 5 by 1 will be equal to 1 into 4, 5 into 4, which is equal to 20 by 4. Okay, and 3 by 4 will be equal to if I have to make the denominator 4, then I have to multiply by 1, it comes out to be 3 by 4. Now 20 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 17 by 4. Now in the next step what I am going to do is minus 11 by 2 plus 17 by 4 minus the curly bracket closed, okay, and plus 1. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to evaluate the expression inside the curly bracket, that is 11 by 2 plus 17 by 4. So in the next step what I am going to do, okay, I will find I have to find 11 by 2 plus 17 by 4. Okay, suppose I have to do this one. Okay, I am rubbing here only and do. Okay, now I am simplifying the expression inside the curly bracket, 11 by 2 plus 17 by 4. Now LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. Now 11 by 2, if I have to make the denominator 4, I will multiply by 2, which comes out to be 22 by 4, and 17 by 4, if I have to make the denominator 4, I will multiply by 1, which is equal to 17 by 4. Okay, now 22 by 4 plus 17 by 4, which is equal to 39 by 4. So it comes out to be 39 by 4 plus 1 square bracket closed. Okay, which comes out to be 27 by 2 minus. Okay, now we have to find the addition of 39 by 4 plus 1. So I can write 39 by 4. How I can write? Either I have to 1 by 1 I can write it. Okay, again I have to perform this addition here, that is 39 by 4 plus 1, which is equal to 1 LCM of what we have to find? LCM of 4 comma 1, which is equal to 4. Okay, now 39 by 4 will be as it is, 4 into 1, 39 into 1, which comes out to be 39 by 4, and 1 if I have to make it 4, what I have to multiply by 4, so it comes out to be 4 by 4. Okay, now 39 by 4 plus 4 by 4, which is equal to 39 plus 4 by 4, which is equal to 43 by 4. So here I can write, instead of this I can write it as 43 by 4. Okay, now in the next expression what I have to do, 27 by 2 minus 43 by 4. Okay, so here I have to, what I will be doing, again I have to simplify this 27. This whole problem is of addition and subtraction. Once we are doing addition, once we are doing subtraction. So be careful in doing this one while finding the LCM and all that. Here what I have to do, I will find the LCM of 2 comma 4, which is equal to 4. Okay, now 27 by 2, if I have to make it 4, what I will be doing, I will be multiplying by 2. So it comes out to be 54 by 4. Now 43 by 4 is there. Here I have to multiply by 1 only. So it comes out to be 43 by 4. So here it will be equal to 54 by 4 minus 43 by 4, which comes out to be 54 minus 43 by 4, which comes out to be 11 by 4. Okay, so what answer I got? I got 11 by 4 as the answer. Now 11 by 4, if I have to write it in form of mixed fraction, 4 2s are 8. So it comes out to be 2 3 by 4. Okay, the answer comes out to be 2 3 by 4. In this way we solve the 9th one. Okay, I am sending the PDF also. Now let us do the 10th one. Okay, if it is 107 plus square bracket is there, then inside the curly bracket 40 plus 0.5. Here 0.5 and the round bracket 40 plus 10. Here no sign is there. If no sign is there, it is multiplication sign. If any number and no sign is there and round bracket is there, then it means in between there is multiplication sign. Okay, 40, then so round bracket closed, then there is curly bracket plus 0 into 0.5. Now first I will evaluate the expression inside the round bracket, then I will evaluate the expression, simplify the expression inside the curly bracket, and then I will simplify the expression inside the square bracket. So it comes out to be 107 plus square bracket, then there is curly bracket 40 plus 0.5, 40 plus 10 if it is equal to 50. Okay, then this curly bracket closed into 0.5. Okay, which is equal to 107 plus, okay, now inside the curly bracket 40 plus, okay, 0.5 into 50. So it comes out to be 50 into 0.5, it will be equal to, say 50 5s are, it is 250, and 0.5 means one decimal I have to put, it comes out to be 25. Okay, curly bracket closed into 0.5. Okay, which is equal to 107 plus square bracket started 40 plus 25, it is 65 into 0.5, then square bracket closed. Now 65 multiplied by 0.5. Now 65 into 5, it is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. And if it is 0.5, that means one decimal. So it comes out to be 107 plus, it comes out to be 32.5. Okay, now I have to add 107 plus 32.5. So it comes out to be 5, 7 2 9 3. It comes out to be 139.5. The answer is 139.5. Okay, in this way we solve the 10th one. Okay, now let us do few examples of letters access. Now let us access the C1, 7, 19. Here see, when square bracket started, no sign is there. What does it mean? It means that there is multiplication sign. 7 into square bracket 19 plus curly bracket, then 3. Again there is no sign here. Directly round bracket is there. What does it mean? It means that there is multiplication sign. Okay, 2 plus 5 minus 4, curly bracket closed, then square bracket closed. Okay, now you write in this form first. 7 into, if there is no sign, that means it's understood. Okay, 19 plus curly bracket started 3 into 2 plus 5, it is 7, 3 into 7 minus 4, curly bracket closed, then square bracket, which is equal to 7 into, now the square bracket 19 plus, okay, now 7 3s are is, here there is 3 into 7 minus 4 inside the curly bracket. So how we are going to, first we will evaluate multiplication, then we do the subtraction. So it will be 21 minus 4, curly bracket closed, then square bracket closed, which is equal to 7 into 19 plus 21 minus 4 is how much it is? It is equal to 17. Then square bracket closed. Now 7 into 19 plus 17. In the rough column you can do 17 plus 19. 7 plus 9, it is equal to 16 and it comes out to be 36. 7 into 36. Now 7 into 36, how much it will be equal to? So multiply by 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25. It answer comes out to be 252. In this way we evaluate. Okay, if there no sign is there and a number and then round bracket will be there or any bracket started, that means it is multiplication. Now suppose you have to do this is let us access D1. Okay, now 2 plus 5 minus 6 plus 1 bar. Okay, that's why I'm solving these questions, because bar bracket is not given in exercise 8b. If there is bar over any expression, what does it means? That we have to give priority to this. That means we have to evaluate this expression first. If any bar is there, then see BOD mass, and in BOD mass B for bracket, and in the bracket also before the square bracket. First we evaluate whatever expression is there over the bar. जैसे बार के नीचे जो expression है उसको पहले evaluate करते हैं. So it will be 2 plus 5 minus 6 plus 1, it is equal to 7, which is equal to then we do addition. Okay, now 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 7, which is equal to, answer comes out to be 0. Okay, now one more question of lattice axis is there. Suppose if it is the E1. Okay, E1, 12 minus 15 minus 8, there is bar plus 7. Okay, now how we are going to evaluate is 12 minus, now 15 minus 8 is how much? First we will evaluate this expression, 15 minus 8 where bar is over there. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, now minus 7 plus 7. So in the next step what we are going to do, add the plus sign together. So we arrange this 12 plus 7 minus 7, which is equal to 19 minus 7, which comes out to be 12. Okay, now so in this way we evaluate some of the questions of lattice axis where bar is there. Then we have to give priority to that expression. That means first we evaluate जिस expression के ऊपर में bar है, first we evaluate that one and then we evaluate the rest of the things. Okay, now you also practice some of the sums of lattice axis, and this completes our chapter simplification of numerical expressions.